Hi guys! Remember us? The couple that left New York City to go chase summer around the world? Well, it's not summer in New Zealand anymore. Clearly, by the way I'm dressed. But there's a silver lining. What makes for a better picture than freshly snow-capped mountains like the one behind me? This is why we're here, and this is why we're sleeping in a van in New Zealand. We're standing in the heart of one of the most beautiful parts of New Zealand, and it really is stunning. But I'm gonna let you see for yourself.
Before heading to the 8th wonder of the world, we spent a couple days in beautiful Wanaka, waiting for the weather to clear. We arrived to Wanaka as the autumn colors were in hypersaturation, and although the cooler temperatures were rapidly approaching, we couldn't help but fall in love. We did a short walk up Mount Iron, followed by a free wine tasting, which was awesome. Unfortunately, we did not make it up to the famous Roy's Peak, a 7-hour, extremely steep hike with legendary 360-degree views. The weather did not allow for it, and although we attempted to wait it out, it was time to move on since our priority was experiencing Milford Sound with good weather. And we would.
Te Anau is the final stop to stock up on gas and supplies before venturing forth to Milford Sound. Of course, waiting on the weather means getting through a few slow, rainy days here and there. But patience leads to sunny skies and cute alpacas to feed.
Eat your veggies. Hello, friend. You want a carrot? It's tasty. What was that sound? Hey, share.
There's only one road in and out of Milford Sound, and it's gorgeous. The land is impressive at every turn. Fiordland is New Zealand's largest and least accessible wilderness, featuring jagged mountains, massive rivers, endless fjords, stunning beauty. The Key Summit Trail was one of our favorite walks, and it was pretty easy, less than 90 minutes to the summit.
Today we're making our way to the beautiful Milford Sound. But of course, no surprise, we had to stop and take a quick walk, because look at how beautiful this place is. This walk actually overlaps with another great walk, the Routeburn Track. We're surrounded by magnificent snow-capped mountains. And although it's not summer here anymore, it's not too cold, and I can't be upset because it's just too pretty here. So let's keep going. Chasing summer? I don't think so. Milford Sound, 24 kilometers.
We could not have timed our arrival to Milford better. The skies were opening after the first snowfall of the season, and after passing through the Homer Tunnel, we would arrive for an exceptional golden hour featuring the famous Mitre Peak. To get an even better view of Milford Sound, most people take a ferry tour. We decided to take the first tour of the morning.
I've got my boarding pass and I'm ready to go on my Milford Sound cruise. Now, you can see that there are plenty of boats behind me, but we decided to go with Go Orange because they had the best price for the 9 a.m. cruise. Hopefully we get some great lighting and some awesome waterfalls. And we get a bacon roll for going on the 9 a.m. cruise. It's gonna be awesome.
And we are now making our way around Triangle Point. And if you
With
are
impressive waterfalls, dolphin and seal sightings, the cruise was well worth the $40 per person price. We realize that most travelers don't have the luxury of time and flexibility that we have given ourselves on this trip. We just honestly feel so lucky to enjoy such magical moments of Mother Earth's finest treasures. The weather had been perfect and would remain clear for at least another day, and so we could not help but to extend our stay in the area for another night. This gave us an extra day to explore another one of the famous features of the Milford Road, called the Chasm.
It's a very short walk to view the impressive water-sculpted rock formations amid the powerful waterfalls. It's dramatic and awesome. Our second night gave us another beautiful sunset. Less dramatic and colorful than the first, but we felt lucky to have taken our time enjoying this place. On our way out the next day, we set time aside to hike Lake Marian. It's a 3-hour return hike and more challenging terrain than the Key Summit, but the view of Lake Marian is special. One of those colorful, pristine lakes high above sea level.
Lunchtime.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Between 10 and 15,000 years ago. No, he gets a carrot. All right, you can have it. You're so greedy.
It's all so pretty.
A large glacier. Yes, glacier, not glacier.
No, really, it's really pretty. Take a look, take a look. Go ahead, take a look.
And we get a bacon roll. Bacon beauty.
Hey. How's it going over there?
A little chilly.
See? I'm telling the truth.
He just trying to throw a snowball at me. How dare he? See this?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Want some wine?
Of course I want some wine.
It's coffee.
Why is it purple?
It's